So hey guys, and what's up, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to edit gaming logo for the gamers. Hope you like this video, and many of you might have already know about this application. This application link is in description, or you can also download from Play Store. It is available in Play Store. So before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for this type of new update, and I request you to watch full video without skip. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
So why is it so hard to let you go? Is it so hard to let you go?
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.